Writing melodies one note at a time is dead. Ableton Live 12's new shape generator flips the process. No more entering individual notes. Instead, you draw shapes, and Ableton turns them into full musical phrases. The vertical axis controls pitch, the horizontal controls time. Sketch a curve, and Ableton fills in the notes for you. No music theory? Doesn't matter. Want a rising melody? Use the up preset. Want something strange? Draw your own. You control the pitch range, playback speed, note density, length, and even how human or robotic it feels. It's not random, it's musical. A smooth arc gives you flow, while jitter adds looseness and life. It's fast, visual, and intuitive. To get the most out of it, try stacking shapes across tracks. Freeze and flatten when something clicks, then edit the MIDI like usual. Want to try it? Load a synth, set the pitch range from C3 to C5, choose the bounce up shape, use 1/8 notes, and hit Generate. Instant melody. You don't write a phrase one note at a time anymore, you shape it and let the notes follow. If you want to master Ableton, comment Ableton and we'll DM you our free shape generator guide and creative tools to get started.